So this morning started out absolutely beautiful. It was about 67 degrees when we took the dogs out for a walk. But the winds picked up. We did get a little bit of rain. And then this happened. So you can see the smoke has filled the air. The winds are still blowing, and according to the news reports, this smoke is blowing down from northern Saskatchewan and northern Alberta, coming down into southern Saskatchewan. So it's supposed to be gone tomorrow. We leave tomorrow morning, so hopefully we won't have to drive through this in the morning. But we thought we'd share this with you.